In motocross, the difference between standing on the podium and watching from the sidelines often comes down to one thing: the machine beneath you. And if there's a bike that stood the test of time, carved its legacy into every whoop, berm, and jump, it's the Kawasaki KX450. Now in 2025, Kawasaki has returned to the drawing board, refining every inch of this green monster to ensure it's not just competitive, it's dominant. Engine, power you can control. At the heart of the 2025 KX450 lies a 449 cubic centimeter, liquid-cooled, double overhead camshaft, 4-valve single-cylinder engine, a powerhouse known for brutal torque and razor-sharp throttle response. But don't be fooled by the familiar displacement. Kawasaki has reworked nearly every internal component to enhance power delivery and reliability. The cam profiles have been revised to improve low to mid RPM torque, helping riders get on the gas sooner out of tight corners or deep ruts. A new high-flow airbox design maximizes intake efficiency, allowing the engine to breathe easier at high revs, which means stronger top-end punch without sacrificing smoothness. Fuel injection is now faster and more precise, paired with updated ECU mapping that delivers throttle response so immediate it almost feels telepathic. The bike puts out an impressive 60-plus horsepower in a power band engineered for traction and control rather than wild, uncontrollable spikes. You'll notice the engine's character instantly. It's aggressive when you want it, predictable when you need it. Chassis and ergonomics built around the rider. The 2025 KX450's aluminum perimeter frame has been re-engineered for ideal rigidity balance. Stiff enough at the center to handle brutal landings and acceleration forces, but flexible at the rear to provide just the right amount of give for enhanced traction. The subframe is 10% lighter and narrower, improving mass centralization and overall bike agility. The ergonomics have been meticulously honed. The seat is slimmer, flatter, and covered in a grippy, durable material. Handlebars are lowered and moved slightly forward for a more aggressive riding posture. Foot pegs are repositioned lower and wider, giving you better leverage and control when cornering or standing through rough terrain. This combination means the rider feels connected, balanced, and ready to attack at all times, reducing fatigue and increasing precision. Suspension, plush, yet responsive. Kawasaki sticks with Showa's industry-leading suspension for the 2025 model, but the components have been finely tuned to match the bike's new chassis and weight distribution. The Showa A-Kit 49mm fork now features updated springs and revised damping circuits that soak up big impacts while maintaining sharp feedback. The rear shock has a redesigned linkage ratio and valving to improve mid-stroke support and overall stability. Adjustments are made easier with refined clickers for compression and rebound, letting riders fine-tune their suspension for everything from muddy outdoor tracks to tight indoor arenas. In short, this suspension is plush enough to handle brutal landings, but firm enough to keep the bike poised and ready at every turn. Electronics. The Smart Edge. Where Kawasaki once took a more mechanical approach, the 2025 KX450 fully embraces smart technology without compromising its rawness. Launch control helps you dominate the gate with less wheel spin and optimal power delivery, allowing for lightning-fast starts. Selectable engine maps. Tailor your power curve to the track, weather, or conditions, switching between aggressive, smooth, or intermediate modes on the fly. Kawasaki Connect app. This game-changing feature lets riders connect their bike to their smartphone, monitor engine parameters, analyze lap data, and even adjust engine maps in real time from the pits. This suite of tech puts a professional edge in your hands, whether you're a privateer chasing glory or a weekend warrior hunting personal bests. Design, aggressive and functional. Kawasaki's signature green has never looked sharper. The 2025 model features sharper, more angular plastics that cut through the air and offer better protection from mud and debris. The radiator shrouds are narrower and more sculpted for rider movement and airflow. The graphics package blends aggressive black and lime green accents that scream performance even at a standstill. Functionally, the LED headlight and taillight units are brighter and more durable. perfect for those early mornings or late evening rides when visibility is critical. The bike's overall weight is down by nearly 2 pounds compared to last year, thanks to refined materials and clever design, making it feel lighter and more responsive. Who is the 2025 Kawasaki KX450? This bike is built for the rider who demands everything. The racer who wants to launch off the gate with surgical precision. The competitor who needs confidence in every corner, jump, and whoop section. The enthusiast who refuses to settle for anything less than race-winning performance. It's a bike for those who know the track is a battlefield. And the KX450 is their weapon of choice. The 2025 Kawasaki KX450 is not just an update, it's an evolution in every sense. From the reworked engine and chassis to the advanced electronics and precision suspension, Kawasaki has delivered a bike that's sharper, faster, and more capable than ever. Whether you're pushing for that first podium, hunting a personal best, or just chasing the purest motocross thrill, this bike will elevate your ride. For deep dive reviews, exclusive dirt bike tech breakdowns, and pure motocross passion, subscribe to Acer Rider. Because here, every lap counts, every detail matters, and every rider is family. This is Acer Rider, and this is the 2025 Kawasaki KX450.